Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will revise other half part of block 17. Be ready with all your essentials. Read the block properly. Underline the important sentences. You need to read about Pandita Ramabai, Sir C.V. Raman, and unknown heroes. Underline the important sentences and difficult words of this topic. Pause the video, read all this, come back again and answer my questions. Now answer that besides religious leaders, who made our country proud? What's your answer? Which type of people made our country proud? So besides religious leaders, there were many scientists, mathematicians, social workers, poets, writers and doctors who made our country proud. And today we will read about some great Indians who made our country proud and who were great people. Now answer these questions. Who was Sir C.V. Raman? Who was Pandita Ramabai? How did they help society? Can they be considered great? Yeah. And who was Pandita Ramabai? Pandita Ramabai was born in 1858 in Maharashtra. She was the scholar of Sanskrit. Scholar of Sanskrit means she was very good in Sanskrit subject. She knew many things about Sanskrit. And Pandita Ramabai became an educated woman in the very olden time when girls were not allowed to study and were forced to get married at very young age. And when her father sent her to school, the people in the village did not like this. So what did her father do? Her father was forced to leave the village and stay in the forest. And what did Pandita Ramabai do? She worked to improve the position of women. She supported women's education, set up schools for girls and shelter homes for widows. Next, Sir C.V. Raman. Where he was born? Sir C.V. Raman was born in Tamil Nadu in 1888. His father taught in a college. He was very brilliant student. In which city he became professor? In Calcutta. And what did he teach? He taught physics. And what did he discover? Sir C.V. Raman discovered how light passed through objects. This discovery helped science in many ways and he became a famous scientist. And in which year he won the Nobel Prize? He won the Nobel Prize in 1930. Now, what do you think? How did they help the society? Can they be considered great? Considered great means, what do you think? Can we say them great people? What's your answer? Yes, they were great people because Sir C.V. Raman worked for progress in science. Pandita Ramabai helped to improve the position of women in our society. They were great people. They wanted to bring a change in our lives. Sir C.V. Raman did not give up studying till he made a contribution to science. This is the quality of great person. Great person never give up and they bring a change in our lives. And Pandita Ramabai continued to work for women by setting up schools and shelter homes for girls and widows. So we can learn that great people do things for others. They think for others more than them. They bring change in our lives. They do things for needy and poor people. And they were not physically strong, but they were hardworking and brave. Now answer that what do you think that all the people become famous like other great people we have read about? And how people can be considered great and why? So answer is no. Answer is no. All great people are not famous like the other great people we have read about, but many people who are not famous have done something great and lost something important when they did the good deed. Sometimes ordinary people do great things we may not know of. And very few people are able to do something which can help society and others. Why? Because it needs courage to do things for others. And now answer by yourself that in which ways we can help society. What do you think? We can help by giving food to hungry people and by helping the poor, sick and elderly, and by protecting animals, by keeping the environment clean and spreading the message of peace and love, by not doing actions that can hurt others. Now answer, what should a person do to be a great person? What can we learn from such people? So a person should be able to do some good for the people by his thoughts and actions. Such people can show us how to be good human beings. Care for the poor and sick, or even care for animals or the environment. They can fight against wrong without fear of losing anything. We can learn to be brave and selfless and work for the good of people. And these are some qualities of great people. Great people work for people. They are hardworking. And a great person does not give up easily. He or she is not afraid. Brave, cares for poor and sick, thinks of others. And a person who thinks for others is known as considerate. And this is about block 17. This is your writing work for today. In what other ways can people help society? What problems do we need to fight for today? Observe problems in your surroundings and write down what problems do we need to fight for today. And did you know of this block is Sundar Lal Bahuguna has been fighting to preserve trees across the country. And think by yourself that think about things that stop people from doing good for others. What are the things that stop people from doing good for others? Think and answer. Don't need to write, only think and answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Please revise your block properly and be ready for your test. On Saturday, you will get test of 25 questions. try to get good marks. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care, everyone. God bless.